Hello guys, I am MK Medis here. Welcomes you all on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on the topic called profit and loss. So if you haven't watched my previous video, so I request you to kindly go there and watch my introduction video where you will be able to understand the basic of profit and loss. Then again come back to this video, then you will be able to understand the concept of the profit and loss more easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let me move on to question number 1. A table is bought for rupees 400 and sold at rupees 500. Find gain or loss percentage. So what the question is saying that a table is bought for 400 rupees. That means the cost price of the table will be 400 rupees and sold at 500 rupees. That means the selling price of the table will be 500 rupees. Find the gain or loss percentage. So here you can see that the selling price is more than the cost price, then you can conclude that there will be the profit. So by the option you can eliminate this and this option very easily. So you have left with these two options, that means 30% gain and 25% gain, and you have the formula for calculating the percentage profit, which is nothing but selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So selling price of the table is nothing but 500 minus cost price of the table is 400 divided by 400 into 100. So it comes out to be 100 by 400 into 100. So if you solve this, you will get 25% gain. So the percentage profit comes out to be 25%. So this will be your option. So if you want to solve the same problem by shortcut method, then since the selling price is 500 rupees and the cost price is 400 rupees, so there will be a percentage gain. So I told you that always take cost price is equals to 100%. So here cost price is 400, so 100% equals to 400 rupees, and we don't know the percentage of profit, so x percentage, and the selling price is 500 rupees. So if you are going to solve this, then x equals to 500 multiplied by 100 upon 400. So when you are going to solve this, you will get 125%. So the profit is going to be earned over the 100%. This is nothing but 100 plus 25%. So your answer will be 25% gain. So your answer is this. Let me move on to the second problem. A chair is bought for rupees 900 and sold at rupees 810. Find the loss percentage. So the cost price is 900 rupees and the selling price is 810 rupees. You should always take cost price is equals to 100%. So the cost price is 900 rupees. So 100% equals to 900 rupees, and the selling price is 810 rupees. We don't know the loss percentage, so let's take x percentage. So if you cross multiply this, so the value of x will be 810 into 100 divided by 900. So when you solve this, you will get the value of x equals to 90 percentage. So what this 90% means is the 100 minus 10, that means the person is suffering from the 10% loss. So the answer for this question is this one. So let me move on to the third problem. A bat is bought for rupees 400 and sold at a gain of 20%. Find its selling price. So a bat is bought for rupees 400, so the cost price will be 400 rupees and sold at a gain of 20%. Gain percentage is given as 20%. So we will take this as 120 percentage. How I take this I already explained in the previous video, so you please go there and kindly watch if you haven't already watched this video. So always take cost price equals to 100%, so cost price 100% equals to 400 rupees and 120% is we don't know. So if you cross multiply this, you will get the value of x is 400 into 120 divided by 100. So if you are going to solve this, you will get the value of x equals to 480 rupees. So this will be your answer. Let me move on to the fourth problem. A chair is bought for 600 rupees and sold at a loss of 10%. Find its selling price. So a chair is bought for 600 rupees, that means the cost price equals to 600 rupees and sold at the loss of 10%. So the loss percentage is 10%. So we can take this as 90%. By selling a chair at the loss of 10%, the person is suffering with the loss of 10%. So always take 100% equals to cost price, so it will be 600 rupees and the person is suffering with the 10% loss, that means 90% will be equals to x rupees. So if you cross multiply this, you will get the value of x, which is nothing but 600 into 90 divided by 100. If you cancel this, so it will come out to be 540 rupees. So your answer will be this one. So this is your last practice question, so I request you all to please go and solve this question and put the answer in the comment section down below. If you have any feedback regarding this video, then also put this in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.